Scientists and politicians are discussing whether people in the UK should be encouraged to wear a scarf or other makeshift face covering to reduce the chance of them spreading the coronavirus. The Scientific Advisory Group on Emergencies, known as SAGE, is expected to recommend to the government that medical face masks should be prioritised for health workers so that supplies aren't jeopardised.
Obviously, at all stages, one of our key focuses is and has been about making sure we're looking after frontline NHS staff. We've done that with testing as well. We're now able to expand that to emergency services and care homes, and a similar principle applies. But as I say, on masks and face coverings, we've not had the advice change to government. So our guidelines, as I'm talking to you now, have not changed, but we'll look at the advice as and when it comes forward.
The hospitality industry has warned that extending the current lockdown measures could be catastrophic for pubs and restaurants. Yesterday, the chief medical officer said that social distancing could last beyond the end of the year. UKHospitality said pubs and other businesses would not be able to operate profitably if social distancing had to be observed. Human trials to find a vaccine for COVID-19 have started in the UK. Oxford University say the vaccine they're developing has an 80% chance of success. However, experts have cautioned that a vaccine is unlikely to be available before the year is out. And the nurse who treated Boris Johnson while he was in intensive care has spoken publicly about her experience for the first time. Jenny McGee, who the Prime Minister referred to as Jenny from New Zealand, described the shock of finding out he'd publicly thanked her for saving his life.
I was getting ready for night shift, and I was just doing my usual routine for night shift, and someone texted me just the part that said Jenny from New Zealand, and I was like, wow, I think that's me. My first reaction was that it was a joke. My friends are playing a joke on me. I wasn't expecting it. It was totally out of the blue, and it was just shock.
That's the news. We're back tonight at 7 and lunchtime tomorrow.